Hello, I've just been asked on one of my videos what method of tatting do I use, and it is the slip and slide method. I have a very old video that doesn't have annotations anymore that demonstrate this method, and I also have a much longer video for beginners which shows in much detail with a large cord how to make the stitches. This is just a very quick one to show the method that is called slip and slide. So slip and slide, it's easy because you just sort of slip your stitches over and slide it over and above your thread to make the stitches. I find it's a very efficient way of tatting. So the first half of a stitch is made by going under, back over the thread and through the loop, and the second half is made by going over, under and through the loop, and basically that's it. So you never have to let go of your shuttle. Apologies, the rain is very loud. I'm sure you can hear it in the video. So you never have to let go of your shuttle. I find it a very efficient movement. You just go under, over, through the loop and flipping your stitches, of course, but I'm not going in detail. It's just really to quickly show the movements, and over, under, through the loop. So when you're working under, over, over, under, over, under, over, under, and basically that's it. So you can work quite quickly because you're always holding it the same. The thread slips between, you hold your shuttle lightly and the thread slips between your fingers and the shuttle as you make the stitches. See here, it's just passing through in between. So that's it. That's the slip and slide method. For a very quick demonstration. See you again soon. Bye-bye.